Yeah, we all go this way.
Oh, that was
Let's
just
play my song with my hair.
with my yeah. Will you play
Willow.
Willow? Yes, so. Oh, wait.
We need that song.
This is things to do during the blizzard while you are bored.
This is entertainment for you, because we love you, our fans.
There's bats in the building. Oh my god. How's it go? Is it gonna bust out? Is it up?
Get in position.
Wait. Oh, that's really. It's gonna be really loud.
Don't hit me with your head.
I wish I had long hair.
You should see the looks I'm getting over here.
Audrey, you love it. Okay, that's tip 101 on what you can do during this horrendous blizzard.
Tip 1, dance. Record yourself.
Okay. I think I'm good.
It's a lot more fun if you do it in front of a mirror, too.
Good tips, for real.
Alright, stay tuned for tip number 2.
Are we